Okay, and now I'm discussing about the SonarQube. Before going that, we need to know that about the SonarQube. What is the SonarQube is? SonarQube is a source code quality management tool. That means static code analysis skills can possible to use the SonarQube. That means, for example, developers have created a source code. After creating source code, they will run the test cases after executing, after getting the proper result. The source code successfully executed. Then they will run it and compile it and run the source code. Before doing that, it will come out to the packages and then deploy into the application. This is the procedure. The SonarQube tool helps to identify the test errors. Normally, 80% of code should be tested by the unit test cases. What is unit test case means? The developers are going to write a test cases. Okay, with the help of SonarQube, the code quality management to sort out the bugs, code issues like that. Okay, and the code quality error software development and testing solutions. I already explained. These tools are paired with the various phases of uh, software development. Okay, and the alternative tools for SonarQube is Java for Java, JUnit, Terraform, HP40. Those tools you need to purchase. These tools are need to purchase for code quality. That means to analyze the code errors, right? Okay. Maven, Tomcat, JBoss, Wildfire. These are with Java, developed with Java background, but it will support only Java. Whereas SonarQube, Nexus, Jenkins, these tools are also with Java background, but it will support multiple languages. SonarQube supports 24 plus languages for code analysis, static code analysis, right? And it will support databases also. Okay, there are some relational database Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MS SQL Server. These are relational some examples for relational database. For database configuration, we can use SonarQube, either port number and database. No need to install these databases. Without these three database, SonarQube can install. SonarQube having H2 database is defaultly installed with SonarQube. Okay. It will support multiple databases and Sonar supports multiple operating systems. Multiple operating system. It will continuously analyze and measure quality of the source code. I already told, right? It will identify the categories of issues. Uh, these are categories. Duplicate code, these issues SonarQube can identify. Coding standards, unit test, right? Complex code, comments, and potential bugs, and architecture and design. These categories SonarQube can identify the errors. Now I'm installing the SonarQube in ec2 instance. Okay, from the installation, pre-requirements are 4 GB RAM and JDK 11. This is the pre-required software because it is coming from Java background. So that's why. Then after SonarQube installation at user level in /opd. That means this third-party software. Third-party software are installed in /opd. In EC2 instance, ec2.micro having 1 GB RAM. ec2.min medium having 4 GB RAM. So we need 4 GB RAM. So that's why let us select T2 dot medium. Okay, I have already created instance with the SonarQube server. Okay, now I'm connecting the big bash. Okay, now the work is here. So paste yes, I sudo su hyphen. Now I'm installing wget. We need to copy the link. With the help of link, I'm installing SonarQube. And zip also install because after installing wget with the link, we need to unzip the. So I'm installing install zip also zip file. Right. Now JRE file. This is the latest version of ZDK. So I'm using this. Is installing JDK. Right. After that, checking the version. Yeah, 11.0.90. The major version, minor, and is the patching ID, patching number. Okay, JDK installed successfully. Now I'm going to slash opt directory. Now I'm installing SonarQube. Here, can use this software also. Here, I'm using freeware. In real time, they're using developer or enterprise edition. Okay, here, Running SonarQube here. Let's here I'm managing the SonarQube. Here I'm renaming the file with SonarQube. Okay, cd SonarQube. I'm explaining that these are file bin directory having binary file configuration information. Library files logs means if any errors it will throw here temporary. Okay, cd bin here. SonarQube can support multiple operating systems, so that's why we are using Linux. Okay, before going that, we need to create user SonarQube user. For installing, unzipping, and renaming it, create users Sonar whatever, and give the sudo access to the created user. Just create user add Sonar, okay, ID Sonar. So it will display the user ID and ID. Okay, after that, we need to give sudo access to the created user because this don't run only sudo user, run it as sudo user. Yep. Just giving sudo access to the user. Save it. After that, we need to change the ownership. Actually, root is a default user, so we need to change the root with Sonar. Okay, icon capital cursively, file name Sonar, Sonar is username, Sonar group name and slash opt. SonarQube is of location. I'm just changing the ownership. You can see we were applying OCH4, owner was root. So, and also we need to change the read write permissions. More is more hyphen or capital 775 slash opt. The ownership was changed and the read write permissions also changed. Okay, now switch it to the user sudo su hyphen sonar. Now we are in sonar user. Now it is slash opt. Okay, cd sonar ls. These are the binary file. In binary files, we get the script informations available. The OS information in the OS information. In binary cd Linux Yeah, sonar.sh. This is a script file in a Linux machine. Because I'm using Linux machine, so that's why I switch it to the Linux directory, and now I'm starting the dot slash r sonar, running the switching the running the script. It is showing that starting SonarQube started SonarQube. Now I'm checking the status of it was running successfully. Okay, the port number of SonarQube is 9000, the default port number. If you want to change the port number, there is configuration file in where this file is SonarQube. There's a configuration. In this configuration file, you can edit it and we can change the port number and database. So we can configure the database also. Now how to access the Sonar? Okay, I'm selecting it. I copy the public IP. Real time they are using private IP. Here we need to enable the port number also. Select networking, go to security and select group. Security group. Edit inbound routes. Add route or TCPs. IPv4 anywhere and save the route and go to the ec2 instance. Select SonarQube, networking, public copy the public IP and paste IP web colon 9000 http colon slash. Right, SonarQube server is configured. The default ID and password for SonarQube is admin and admin. Admin has the password. Then login. After login, it will ask to change the password. So old password is admin. Now I'm giving password as DevOps. Let's update. Here update from dashboard. These are our projects. So yeah, I just have connected it, right? This is about the installation part of SonarQube server. I'm explaining. Here this is a configuration file. In the configuration file, we can change the port name here. And configure the database also. This is a configuration file. We can change port number also. Here, this is port number 9092. We can change the port number also. This is Sonar embedded database port number. Default port number of SonarQube is 900. Here we can change that database. We can configure, right? This is about the installation part of SonarQube. Now I am winding up this session. Thank you.